In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated AI research agent that searches the web, extracts information, summarizes it, and returns answers automatically. We'll start by receiving the user's query through a webhook. Think of this as the door into the workflow. An external app or website sends a small request, like a topic and a prompt. For example, the source could be Apple, and the prompt could be latest news. As soon as that request arrives, the webhook triggers the automation and passes the data into the flow. Next, we organize that data with a simple variable setup. We store the user prompt, which is exactly what the user wants to know, the cell reference, which holds the topic or company name we're researching, and the output language, which defines the language of the final answer. Keeping these values clean and clearly labeled makes the rest of the pipeline more reliable and easier to debug. Now, we improve the search itself. An adjust query agent refines the user's words into a precise search query that search engines understand. For instance, a rough input like Apple, search for news becomes something like Apple Inc. News 2026 technology. Adding the full entity name and a time frame helps disambiguate results and boost accuracy. With a strong query in hand, the Bright Data Search Agent performs a Google search, scans multiple sources, and returns the most relevant link. You'll typically see output such as / link, https:/example.com, Apple News. This keeps the pipeline focused on a single best entry point. We then extract the page content with Bright Data Extraction. This scraper fetches the page and converts it into structured data, separating headings, body text, timestamps, and other useful fields so the AI can read it efficiently. And extract data. Step analyzes that content and pulls only what matters for the user's question. Instead of copying the whole page, it produces a concise, targeted summary aligned with the user prompt and cell reference. Next, a summarize information step crafts a clean final answer limited to about 400 characters and returns it in structured JSON. Because we stored output language earlier, the summary can be delivered in the user's preferred language. We then send the response back through the webhook to the original requester. For example, Intel was founded in 1968 and is a major semiconductor manufacturer headquartered in California. Finally, we update logs by saving the request and the result in a data table. This preserves user queries, AI responses, and research outcomes for auditing and continuous improvement. End-to-end, you now have an automated AI research assistant, ideal for AI research tools, automated market research, news monitoring systems, and knowledge assistance.